Beginner's Guide to Investing in Shares, Mastering the Stock Market. Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies, we're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, we've got you covered. From beginners to seasoned investors, we're here to help everyone navigate the path to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of stock market investing. This is your beginner's guide to investing in shares and mastering the stock market. Get ready to learn all about shares, what they are, why they're a smart investment, and how to start investing. We'll cover everything from reading profit statements to picking winning stocks. Let's start with the basics. Understanding the stock market can seem daunting, but we'll make it simple and engaging. The basics of shares. Shares represent ownership in a company. Investing in shares means you're buying a piece of that company. Investing in shares is like becoming a part owner of a company. When you buy shares, you're buying a small part of that company's future, its profits, its growth, and even its challenges. It's a way to invest in businesses you believe in and share in their success. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore why investing in shares can be a rewarding financial move. Understanding different types of shares is crucial. There are mainly two types: common shares and preferred shares. Common shares give you voting rights at shareholders' meetings, while preferred shares often don't. However, preferred shareholders usually get priority over dividends. Knowing which type suits your investment goals is key. Great! Now that we've covered the share types, let's understand the reasons behind investing in shares and how they can be a cornerstone of your investment portfolio. Why invest in shares? Over time, shares can grow in value, and you may receive dividends, making them a powerful tool for building wealth. Shares are more than just pieces of paper. They are gateways to potential wealth. When a company does well, its share value often increases, and as a shareholder, you benefit from this growth. Plus, many companies pay dividends, sharing their profits with you. This dual potential for capital gains and regular income makes shares an attractive investment option. Now that you know what shares are, let's delve deeper into how to choose the right ones for your portfolio. Beyond growth and dividends, investing in shares also offers liquidity. This means you can easily buy and sell shares on the stock market, unlike some other investments like real estate. Plus, with the rise of online trading platforms, accessing the stock market has never been easier, making it an accessible option for many investors. Hey there, taking a quick pause from our wealth-building insights. If you're finding value in this video and want to stay updated with all our latest strategies, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button below, give us a like, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we drop fresh content designed to help you maximize your financial potential. All right, let's jump back in and continue our journey to financial success. Understanding a company's financial health is crucial in stock investing. Let's break down how to read company profit statements. Understanding company profit statements. Learn how to read these statements to gauge a company's financial health. Company profit statements are like report cards for businesses. They tell you about a company's revenue, expenses, and overall profitability. Learning to read these statements helps you to judge whether a company is on a solid financial footing, which is vital before you decide to invest in their shares. Like all investments, shares come with risks. It's important to understand these risks to make informed decisions. Now that we're equipped with the knowledge of profit statements, it's time to talk about risk. Every investment has its risks, and shares are no exception. let's delve into how to evaluate these risks. Evaluating investment risks will guide you through assessing risks and making informed decisions. Investing in shares isn't risk-free. The value of shares can fluctuate due to various factors like market conditions, company performance, and even global events. That's why assessing the level of risk you're comfortable with and balancing your portfolio to mitigate these risks is a key skill in share investing. Next up, let's talk about market trends and their impact on your investment choices. Understanding risks is just one part of the puzzle. The next piece is grasping market trends. Let's see how these trends can influence our investment decisions. Market trends analysis. Understanding market trends is key to making smart investment choices. Market trends can indicate the general direction in which a market is moving. They are influenced by economic factors, investor sentiment, and even political events. By understanding these trends, you can make smarter investment choices, like when to buy or sell shares. Now let's unlock the secrets of picking stocks with growth potential. With a grasp on market trends, we're now better positioned to identify potential winning stocks. But how do we spot them? Let's find out. Picking winning stocks. We'll share strategies for identifying stocks that have potential for growth. As you grow more confident in your investing skills, let's explore how to refine your strategies. Choosing the right stocks is just the beginning. The real game changer is developing a solid investment strategy. Let's explore how to create one that aligns with your financial goals. Developing an investment strategy. Tailoring a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Developing an investment strategy is about aligning your financial goals with your investment choices. Whether you're investing for long-term growth, steady income, or a mix of both, your strategy should reflect your goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. It's about making choices that fit your personal financial roadmap. Finally, let's dive into how to manage your portfolio for long-term success. An investment strategy isn't static. It evolves. This is where portfolio management comes into play. Managing your investments effectively is crucial for long-term success. We've covered the essentials of investing in shares, from the basics to more advanced concepts. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and staying informed. Thanks for joining us on this journey to financial mastery. By applying these strategies, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.